Hello, this is Aaron, and this is case study number 2 of vitamins and minerals. Let's meet Natalie. She's a 29-year-old single healthy woman. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches tall with a weight of 150 pounds, which puts her in the normal range for her BMI. She eats a pretty balanced, varied diet of 3 meals and 1 snack daily. She exercises 4 times a week. And 4 months ago, she received her most recent physical and lab work, and the results of all that were good. She is a non-smoker and non-drinker, and she takes a multivitamin daily. So, Natalie has been fighting off a cold for the past 5 days, and upon talking to one of her friends about it, she begins taking zinc gluconate lozenges per the friend's suggestion. 2 months after taking the zinc lozenges, she starts experiencing flu-like symptoms such as headaches, vomiting, fever, fatigue, and cramps. Because Natalie believes she has the flu, she goes to the emergency room. The emergency room takes vitals, performs a physical exam, and runs some lab work. After the ER doctor gets all the results back, he prescribes Natalie some IV fluids for dehydration and medications to address the other symptoms that she presented. The doctor also refers Natalie to a nutrition professional to further address her symptoms. Questions. Is Natalie experiencing any mineral toxicities and/or deficiencies? If so, which toxicities or deficiencies is she experiencing based on the symptoms and medical tests that were presented? Question 2. Why did the ER doctor refer Natalie to a nutrition professional to help address her flu-like symptoms? Question 3. What other symptoms may Natalie have that was not noted in the case study? Question 4. If you were Natalie's nutrition professional, what would be your recommendations for her? Thank you, and I look forward to your answers.